So the thing that I was noticing in my last vlog was actually that I sounded very monotone, very one tone. I don't know why. I have no idea. Actually, I do know why. And that's because that day I had a headache and I don't know, like I just felt in a chill vibe. I didn't normally talk like I usually do or express myself like I normally do. But yeah, sounded very monotone, so today I feel good, so you know, of course, positive vibes, you know. Um, that's what I'm aiming for. I want you guys to come and take a peek in my life, in my Rolla life, and we're gonna get today started. I'm wearing my Toyota Fest shirt. You see, we have the AE86, and I don't know how I'm gonna show you the back design, but I'll probably throw a picture of it. Toyota Fest is coming up. That's the next thing I'm really looking forward to, and that's why we got some parts, car parts today. And also my friend Colton will be going, so that'll be fun. And yeah, I'm pretty excited. I hope you guys are too. Maybe you guys could see an installation and all that. So let's go. I went and checked for my friend's package, and it seems it's like not delivered. Eventually you guys will see it. You'll see what he got, and I think it'll be pretty cool. Has to do with the low life. So stay tuned. Should be sick. Should be dope. Little view of Zeus there. Man, sexy man, just sexy. We'll go ahead and wash the car, of course. That's the daily routine.
The other 2 days ago. Remember when you pulled down, you saw my car?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I was like, Elvis is there. Like, damn.
Elvis is in the building. So this is Colin, obviously.
There's one in Tempe.
Here, try this one. This is from Red Star. It's not Frost Dragon, but it's on call. That's what the brand. That's what the flavor's called.
Juice is on call.
Which one? The top one?
Top one, the big one. Yeah, it's all fucked up.
So I guess you're my camera.
Hey, why not, bro? Look at this sexy thing.
Seems like ain't nothing cool about being real. No, it's time is up, but what they feel. Take a hold.
The steering wheel, guys. So make him drive his car. But it's custom. And you stopped your horn, right?
No.
You took it out.
No, it's because you know the time, the spring clock, all of that goes out, or at least with the Corolla, and that basically has like the cable for the horn, but you basically rip that out. So where's your horn? I have no idea.
You threw tomatoes. Extraordinaire. The shoes, or what I call the wheels. Oh, you got super stretched right here. This is super awesome. You get them specially done in California, right? Did I get that right?
What?
You get them stretched in California.
No,
No?
Vegas.
Never mind. Sorry, Vegas. You gotta go to Vegas. Parties, hardcore parties. Okay, and then he's got those spikes. If you put your foot there, you're dead. I'm sorry, your whole leg is gone. But pearlescent, right? That's the key word. Is it?
You're dead.
I'm asking.
You're dead.
They're dead. Okay, and he's got some ESRs. What size are these ones?
17s, actually.
17s. What are these guys? Those are beautiful. Beautiful.
Thank you.
Looks like it's Alright, so now
Remain
we
humble.
move to the so bros, his wheel is gone. His steering wheel is gone. Bless you. So his steering wheel is gone, as you guys can tell, because it's on the engine. Yeah, there's his TV in there. So if you ever want to travel with him, he has a 8-inch very comfy. And he's got the window spoiler. It breaks the wind. Yeah, it does. Aerodynamics. You've got the back for all the dead bodies and tires that you use when you drift. This is front wheel drive, right?
Yeah.
Never mind. But I'm sure he has plans for this, right?
I got it, fam.
So that bottle there, what is that?
So that's funny.
What is that?
That's a capacitor. So everybody thinks that's like my airbags.
Like voltage drop, right?
Yeah,
For, like
that's
subs.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
So-
cool. I didn't know that.
Tomorrow I'll be getting a little something something.
What is that? Something.
A little something something will go in the trunk. And then I'll have more junk in the trunk, you know?
Too much sauce.
Not too much sauce, bro.
You got 2 more steps.
I like
Excuse me.
Taking it off with his diffusers. His car is so low you can't really see it, but if you get low enough, you'll be able to see those very nice Razor diffusers. And his lovely exhaust. It's dirty. But that's the brand, dirty. Because you gotta stay
low and dirty.
Yeah, low and dirty.
Stay low and
There
dirty,
you go.
my friends.
New saying, low and dirty. You should make that a sticker. I promise you
Low
something.
and dirty. You know what? I probably will.
You probably should. You should put that here in the back.
Low and dirty.
Low and dirty.
This
Low
sending.
and dirty booty.
Okay, so
I like that idea.
we're gonna.
Oh, by the way, this is my Toyota Fest shirt that I was talking about earlier. I don't know if you can see it. But that was last year. And last year I went and I wasn't in it. I was still on stock wheels, so I can't go stock, you know. So about a year later, boom, here I am, rolling with the Rolla, and I think it's show worthy. You know, I think that's the goal. I think what you want to do is when you're doing your car, let's say your Corolla, whatever car, you want to make it different. You know, like what do you have to show? You know, what do you have to show to make it different? And I think what I've done, I like what I've done because that's what I like. Everybody has different likings, so I would say even if people don't agree with it, I think you should do it anyways. Be different, be humble, you know, stay positive. I guess we're gonna head out. We're probably gonna do a little bonfire at Colton's again with the red Corolla over here. I like. We're technically the same height. See, mine are 17s, and I'm that low. But his is 18s, and it seems like he's just tucking maybe a little bit more. So maybe if he had camber, the fender would be right on the wheel. I don't know, maybe he is a little bit lower than I am. So you guys probably remember Josh. He was just literally talking a second ago. This is his car. You know, it's lit, literally.
Turboed out, bro.
I know. And I think every 11 gen has that noise.
It's got that little whistle, it's like a downpipe or something.
McDonald's back at it again. You know, you love your car when you're walking away, but then you're just like, damn, that's my car. Alright, so we're over here at Colton's place where we're watching, what's his name? Adam? Over there hanging out with TJ Hunt. So if you don't know who TJ Hunt is, I think all of you guys do, but he's pretty cool. He has a GTR supercharged BRZ 350 drift car that he's doing.